I love the sayings of John Wooden, but he told his basketball players, he said, when you make a basket, he said, you're immediately to turn around and look at the person who threw you the pass. And he said, you might wink at them, you might do this, a thumbs up. You might say, yeah, thank you, that was good. You might mouth words to them. But he said, in some way, whatever form you choose, acknowledge them and praise them for what they did. And one of the players said, Coach, what if they're not looking? Listen carefully. What if they're not looking? And Coach Wooden said, they will always be looking.